Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 15 and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and first of all we have to open About Phone and localize OS version. Keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode, and then go back to the general list of the settings and scroll down to the very bottom. Here we have to tap on additional settings, scroll down to the very bottom again and find developer options. And here all we have to do is to scroll down just a little bit to find this option, automatic system updates. If you've got it turned off, like here, simply tap on the switcher, and from now on, since this option is active, your device is allowed to apply the updates whenever it will be restarted. Of course, you can turn this option off just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.